Welcome back to our channel, Coin Enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a piece of American history with the 1964 Jefferson nickel. This 5-cent coin, featuring the iconic image of Thomas Jefferson, is a staple in the collection of any serious numismatist. Let's explore its details, value, and the story behind it. The Jefferson nickel has been in circulation since 1938, designed by Felix Schlag. The obverse front of the coin showcases a left-facing profile of Thomas Jefferson, the third president of the United States, with the word Liberty and the year 1964 inscribed alongside it. The reverse back features Jefferson's Virginia home, Monticello, with the inscriptions E Pluribus Unum, Monticello, and 5 cents, along with United States of America. In 1964, the United States Mint produced the Jefferson nickel at 2 different mints. The majority of the 1964 nickels were struck at the Philadelphia Mint. These coins do not bear any mint mark and were produced in large quantities, making them relatively common. The Denver Mint also contributed to the production of the 1964 nickel, marked by a small D on the reverse side to the right of Monticello. The Denver Mint produced a significant number of these coins, adding to their availability in circulation. The Jefferson nickel was first introduced in 1938, replacing the Buffalo nickel. The coin was designed by Felix Schlag, who won a public competition for the design. The obverse of the coin features a left-facing portrait of Thomas Jefferson, the third president of the United States and the principal author of the Declaration of Independence. The reverse displays Jefferson's Monticello home, a symbol of his legacy. The 1964 Jefferson nickel holds a significant place in American coin history. It was minted during a time when the U.S. Mint was phasing out silver in coinage, leading to the production of large quantities of nickels to compensate for the growing demand for coins. In 1964, the U.S. Mint produced an enormous number of Jefferson nickels. They were minted at both the Philadelphia and Denver mints, marked by a small D for Denver on the reverse side of the coin. This year saw a transition from using older methods to more modern coin production, leading to some interesting varieties and errors that are highly sought after by collectors. Value of the 1964 Jefferson nickel. Due to the large mintage, the 1964 Jefferson nickel is relatively common, especially in circulated conditions. However, certain factors can increase its value. Coins in uncirculated or mint state condition are more valuable. Coins graded MS65 or higher can fetch premium prices. Varieties and errors. Look for varieties such as the full steps designation on the reverse. This indicates that all steps on Monticello are fully visible and can significantly increase the coin's value. Errors like double dies or off-center strikes are also of interest. While both the Philadelphia and Denver mints produced millions of these coins, those with exceptional strike quality or rare mint errors are more valuable. As of 2024, a 1964 Jefferson nickel in average circulated condition is worth about 5 to 10 cents, just above its face value. However, uncirculated coins can range from $1 to $10, depending on the quality. High-grade examples with the full steps designation can be worth even more, sometimes fetching prices upwards of $50 or more. The 1964 Jefferson nickel may be common, but it remains a beloved piece for collectors, especially those interested in mid-20th century American coinage. Whether you have a circulated piece or a high-grade example, this coin holds a special place in U.S. history and is a must-have for any serious collector. Given the coin's extensive production, the 1964 Jefferson nickel was struck in massive numbers to meet the demand during a period of coin shortages in the United States. This coin marked the end of an era as the final year for silver coinage in dimes, quarters, and half dollars due to the rising cost of silver. Composition: 75% copper, 25% nickel. Diameter: 21.2 millimeters. Weight: 5.00 grams. Edge plane. The value of a 1964 Jefferson nickel depends largely on its condition and mint mark. Circulated coins typically hold a value close to face value, while uncirculated coins, especially those with a high-grade mint state, MS65 or higher, can be worth a few dollars. Coins with errors, such as doubling or off-center strikes, may carry a premium. Some 1964 Jefferson nickels have garnered attention due to rare errors or variations. Collectors seek out nickels with full steps on Monticello, meaning the steps are fully visible and not worn down. This detail can significantly increase a coin's value. Although rare, some 1964 nickels exhibit double die errors, where parts of the design are duplicated due to a misalignment during the striking process. While the 1964 Jefferson nickel is common in circulation, it holds historical significance as a representation of the United States during the mid-20th century. The large mintages and the transition away from silver coinage make it a fascinating study for collectors. The 1964 Jefferson nickel may be a common find, but it tells a rich story of American history and numismatics. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting, this coin is a staple piece that offers insight into the coinage of the United States during the 1960s. Stay tuned for more coin explorations, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of numismatics. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have a 1964 Jefferson nickel in your collection, and let us know if you'd like us to cover more coins like this. See you next time.